Got my dog here, Sassy. We're about to go hit some trails to look at the creek. Alright, let's go. Come, Sassy. We got my dog here. You hear that? Like water rushing. That's the freaking creek behind my house. Me and Sassy are about to go check it out. Holy crap, dude, it's gushing. And it's muddy. And there's a chicken toad. Oh, okay. Oh, she don't like it. So guys, why? Oh, it's doing pretty good. Oh, and something died. How high do you think the creek is, Sassy? 2.4 feet? Nah. It's gushing, dude. I hear it. Like, I was on the bus right here. Oh yeah, it's gushing pretty good, folks. Pretty good size, folks. Look at that, folks. Chill. Don't go too fast, guys. You might pull Daddy in. We're gonna check out on the other side. Come on, guys. Stop eating shit. Like literally, she's eating shit. That might be with my other dog, cause Sassy is not really that good with weighing water. She don't mind it. She's like actually like playing it. Come, oh, chicken fault. Douchebag. Douchey. Want to go down to the other side, this way? Don't trip and die, though. Sassy loves explosions. Oh, ew. Dude, water's gushing down here. Ew, Sassy. And this one. Pretty tornado-ish. Dude, I can see it. Don't pull me in. Ew. Ew. Yeah, it's flowing right through this little creek, which means it's overflowing. No, Sassy. She almost got loose, guys. Move, little she-bee. Just kicked in the butt, that would work. A dog. Go, go. I've been filming. Oh my god, dude. It's so bad. Right now, it's coming over the bank. This is fall for you. Dude, it's literally coming over the bank right now. You guys see this? It's coming over the freaking bank. Guys, this ain't good. Clear that water. We're gonna go head home. Okay, so we went at my house, and I just realized this. Look at that. That's the water going into the back creek back there. I just realized that too. Pretty dope. So, walking on with Cute and Pie. I still miss Cute and Pie Coco. Checking that butt for the money.